ZANU-PF spokesperson Ambassador Christopher Mchangwa has said Zimbabweans have overwhelmingly expressed their desire for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to remain in office until 2030, citing views gathered during consultations on a Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Nzarambira mashoko obudachitoka panapa na Mchangwa achiti those consultations amakaona vamwe vanhu vakati they were flawed. Panguva inochoneka some of the people were intimidated, some were tortured, vamwe vakatyangarika chaiko. But panguva ino Christopher Mchangwa anobuda achara mashoko achiti the citizens of Zimbabwe panguva ino they have expressed their desire kuti President Emmerson Mnangagwa remain in office panguva ino until 2030. Nzarambira mashoko obudanyika panguva achiti Zimbabweans back Mnangagwa's continued leadership to 2030, says ZANU-PF. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipida Patriots Anubudanyara GT. Addressing the media at the ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare on Monday, Mchangwa said the consultation process had reviewed strong public support for extending President Mnangagwa's leadership beyond the current constitutional term limit. According to Mchangwa, one of the key reasons advanced by citizens is the need to ensure continuity and stability during a critical phase of Zimbabwe's development agenda. In quotes, the point of vulnerability in any political system is during the passing of the baton, while 2028 and initially been earmarked as the transition point. The masses have indicated through CAP 3 consultations that they prefer continuity up to 2030. Toma developments aripo panguva ino kuti kunzi aiwa ZANU-PF aipererwi, inotsvaka nzira aiwa dzekupenetrata, inotsvaka maways ekuya panguva ino vachiita zvavanoda kuti zviite. Pinda comment section medu zvafungira echimoti kudii pamusoro pe-these developments. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.